Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone has enough battery and is unlocked. That prevents interruptions while changing system display assets. Next, open Settings, go to Display, and select Always on Display to access active options. Once in AOD settings, tap Wallpaper or AOD Appearance to begin choosing an image or gallery. You do this because AOD wallpaper is stored differently than the home/lock screens. Changing it here ensures the image is optimized for low-power visibility and proper cropping. You now pick the source, built-in themes, your gallery, or a live image. Once chosen, use the crop tool. Make sure to frame the subject within the central safe zone so essential details aren't cut off. After cropping, preview the image in dark and battery saver modes to confirm legibility. Adjust brightness or apply the AOD mask if the phone offers one. This step matters because AOD uses limited colors and contrast to preserve power, so fine-tuning ensures readability and aesthetic balance. Once satisfied, tap Apply or Save to set the Always on Display wallpaper, then lock the phone to verify it shows correctly on the AOD. If you don't see it immediately, make sure AOD is enabled in schedule settings and that battery saver or power modes aren't restricting background display. If problems persist, restart the device and recheck permissions. As a last resort, reset AOD settings and repeat the process. This troubleshooting keeps you from chasing unrelated display or power restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.